So, quick little video. I saw a lot of comments about people asking about how my bar is set up, and also just saw a comment asking about my gloves. Um, Gloves, nothing special. These are work mechanic gloves, bare hand, grip strength, and just having on gloves that allow you to just kind of grip the bar better. It puts less strain on your wrists and the muscles used for your grip, just having gloves on in general, something that you can still kind of move your fingers and feel with. I wouldn't try to put on winter gloves and do this, but that helps out. So I do need to train my grip strength to get up, just all natural bare hand. But in the meantime, I do sometimes use gloves, kind of help me on with my journey. And as far as for the bar, I was able to put two lag screws, top and bottom, on each mounting point, and they go in the back to studs. So I was really lucky. Did some math, and I was able to line them up with the studs. They went into the wood, and that's how I have a sturdy bar that can hold 330 pounds, leaning, rocking, and swinging from it. I do check it often for those who like, hey, I don't trust the wall. I wouldn't trust my wall. So I have washers on here. So after so many uses, I'll spin my washers because if the head is backing out, the washers will spin. Hope this helps everybody get to their fitness goals.